Hey guys, we're just here. We're gonna give you an idea of our overall stay at the coastal getaway in Ocean Point, Lucy, Hanover. So we finally made it to our destination at Ocean Point, Lucy, Hanover, and as you can see, we're currently approaching the gated community. So yes, we ended up passing the house, so now we're gonna just turn back. So yeah, this is the beautiful home that we stayed at, the Coastal Getaway. Can you tell she was absolutely excited that we got here? We left Kingston at approximately 2 o'clock and we didn't get here until minutes to 7. We made a lot of stops on the way, but it was quite the journey, so we were absolutely elated. Okay. As we entered the space, we were greeted with balloons and just lots of decorations that were reminiscent of a birthday weekend, which is what we told the host that we were going to be having, and she did not disappoint. Okay, she came all out for us and we were absolutely happy to see it. So this room was decked with 2 beds, we had a television, also air conditioning. There was also a closet that was decked with pillows and extra sheets, and also hangers where you could hang your clothes if needs be. So this right here was room number 2, which was pretty much decked with the same things as the last room, with the exception of a table and chair that was in the corner right there. But yeah, pretty much the same thing. So I'm someone who's very big on, you know, kitchen appliances and tools and decor, and I absolutely loved everything that was happening here. It was just really simple, not over the top, but it made such a huge difference. It made the difference, and it was just so cute. And the fact that it went all throughout the house, that's what got me. It was just absolutely fantastic. So as you can see, we're entering the laundry room, which is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. And I absolutely loved that wall art, the wall design. It was so cute. And everything is pretty much labeled for your understanding. I mean, it couldn't be more straightforward and simple. Also, the room was decked with an iron board just in case, an extinguisher, you know, because you never know. And yeah, a washer and dryer basket where you could put your clothes, brooms, mops, everything that you needed was there. So guys, comment below letting me know what part of this home decor was your favorite. Okay, I need to know. I need to know, please. So at this point, I just wanted to zoom in on some of the decor that was happening throughout the home. And this was a cute little cabinet that was right at the front. It was decked with games. So, you know, if you go there and you're bored, I mean, those are little things that you could do. I thought this was a diffuser. I grabbed it with such excitement, but then I realized it was just a vase. Also some snake and ladder, and that cute sign. I love that sign so much too. The Wi-Fi also there, and of course scented candles, which are awesome. Okay, just very awesome. Also, if you're into reading on your vacation, then that's fine, I guess. So this right here was a closet that was in the passageway between both rooms, and as you can see, it was also decked with additional sheets, towels, everything that you could possibly need. Towels with the beach, towels just after showering, whatever you needed, it was pretty much there. So it wasn't until I was editing this video that it was brought to my attention that this was actually a portable candle holder, which meant that, you know, if there's a power outage or anything of that sort, you could actually light the candles, and there's actually a handle where you could lift these up. And I just thought those shells were so cute. But anyway, you could actually lift this up and take this to like different locations in the house if needs be. So at this point, I'm just inviting you into our experience a little bit more. So this is a breakfast that my friend prepared for one of the mornings. And, you know, I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And we tried to make it look all nice, you know, just for the video and whatnot. But it was actually pretty good food. So I just want to big up my friend Deidre. So yes, guys, book her for all your catering events. So we then decided that we were going to drive around the community of Ocean Point a bit more and just give you guys an idea of the amenities that the community had. So as you can tell, this was like a walking or jogging trail, and I don't know if you can see, but it also had like goals set up, so just in case, you know, you want to play football or that sort of thing, then that would be available for you. Hey guys, we're just here. We're going to give you an idea of our overall stay at the Coastal Getaway in Ocean Point, Lucy, Hanover. So we're going to be going under various categories. So at first, we're going to go with cleanliness. So guys, what did you think about the cleanliness of the place? Yeah. When we just stepped in, how was it? Let's start with Joe.
It was very clean, like exceptionally clean. Pristine, like thumbs up, 100%, 10 out of 10. Good job.
Cool, deal?
Yeah, I would say the same. Like, I like how my place is clean and just me, she aces it.
Yeah, I think we all can agree that the place was really clean 100%. And we think we can agree at a 10 out of 10 for cleanliness, right guys?
Yeah man, 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Right, great. Next we go to accuracy. So accuracy is defined as, was it accurately represented with up-to-date photos and information. So, you know, when you go on Airbnb, are the photos up to date? Is everything looking as it is on Airbnb? What did y'all think?
Alright, for me, the photos were accurate, yes. But it looked bigger online than when I came.
Okay.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing.
Like,
it's accurate though, you know.
Pool, though.
Yeah. The pool looked bigger too.
Yeah, I think it's the angle. Probably.
It's the angle.
Yeah. It's the
That was
angle.
the angle, but it was still good.
Yeah.
But everything that was represented was there, just that the size kind of looked a little different.
Yeah, but then I think that's kind of expected when you take pictures, because based on the angles that you take it from, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Just like when they take like you know, food pictures and it looks really big, like KFC and those things.
Yep.
Yeah.
But
In
yeah.
real life, it's
So I think that's kind of understandable. But overall, everything else was pretty accurate, because even the little details, like you guys saw in the video. Oh my gosh, the details! It was that for me.
because
Like-
even the beach house sign right there that was on
The home
just-
sweet
was
home. Yeah.
good.
Very
Good job.
nice. The artistic
Yeah.
touch. Oh.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Whoever did the interior decorating, good job.
Thumbs up, guys. All right, let's go to check-in. So, in terms of when you came in, was it easy to get in? Did you have any issues getting into the house? How was that?
Apart from us struggling with the key, I mean, it was easy. It was
Yeah.
easy. It's just,
It was really easy.
yeah.
It wasn't too
any
bad.
hold up at all.
All right, cool. Let's go to communication. How was that?
Between us and the
Oh my
Yeah, so
God.
communication meaning, did the host respond to messages promptly?
Very,
Messages
like-
and phone calls, guys.
she was easily accessible,
Yes.
and she responded within time. You call her, you get her, and she was cordial. It's not, you know, like when you call somebody, it's like, ugh, them again.
Like she was always receptive.
Yes.
Yeah, just happy to hear from us every time.
Every time. And she's like, come whenever you need me, anything you need,
Yeah.
you just call.
Right.
So communication was
She's very
good.
hospitable.
Yes.
Thank you, Rochelle.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Rochelle. That
Thumbs
was
up, Rochelle.
awesome.
You are.
All right, let's go on to location. So this means, was the guest made aware of safety, transportation, points of interest, special considerations like noise or other situations that might affect your stay? So what do you think about the location in general?
Who are you starting with?
Let's go Javane. Let's hear
Javane, yeah.
for you. So location should include, like, also I think, like, our distance from, you know, entertainment. So a lot of times you go on a vacation, you want to entertain yourselves, right? So in terms of where it was to entertainment, how do you think the location was?
I feel like the location. I mean, she did mention that the grill was nearby and so on, but like certain facilities that would bring entertainment weren't really accessible. In a sense, you'd have to drive quite a bit of distance to reach somewhere where you have like different options to entertain, like theater or anything like that.
Yeah.
But she did mention that, you know, the grill is like half hour out, so you know, there's they have attractions that you can go check out.
Yeah, so it's not the kind of place that you come without a
Yeah,
drive.
make sure you have
You have
your
to have your
stuff.
own drive.
And make sure you have more stuff
Yeah.
that you might need. Yeah, it's not like you can just run down the road and a supermarket down there.
Okay, let's just like that. Alright, could you repeat that? Go again.
What I should repeat.
The last part.
Yeah, I'm saying like it's not like, okay, you know, like the supermarket like 5 minutes down the
Right.
road, or you have to try and grab most things that you need before you reach out there, else you have a long ride
Yeah,
to get to somewhere central.
true. So location wasn't really the most central place.
Yeah.
I mean, if you'd have to get everything you want from before you get here, I think. But there was a restaurant that was pretty nearby, so if you're okay with that, the waterfront restaurant, that's where we went last night.
Probably 10 minutes out.
Yeah, about 15 minutes drive. I think it was 15 minutes. And it was it's a pretty decent restaurant. So I mean, if you're okay with that thing. And the food was good.
Good.
So
Ready for your
Yeah.
that wasn't too bad. Alright, cool. Oh, you wanted to say something
Yes.
on location? Okay, go ahead.
The security, I appreciate the security that was here. Even though, you know, you call me experience different things, the security was good. So you call me, you know, that's a gated community. That's what I appreciate. Some Airbnbs, you have to, you know, extra cautious, but with here you can probably leave your door open. And not have a
So I think
Yeah,
safe
we felt
is-
safe.
Yeah.
For the most part, yeah. Alright, great. Amenities. So was everything promised in the listing available and in good working condition?
Yes.
Oh yes, like we felt at home.
Yeah.
She had everything.
Everything.
Like the last thing that I noticed, I was like, wow, she had an umbrella.
An umbrella, guys.
Towels, extra sheets, extra pillows.
Blow dryer.
We had
Kitchen
blender,
tools,
Blender, everything. everything.
Wash and dryer,
So
and
everything.
Hot
Everything.
water.
And hot
Towels,
water.
extra towels, beach towels,
extra sheets,
everything.
pillows,
Everything. She thought about
Comfortable.
Yep. And
Yeah.
we had games to entertain
And
ourselves.
games,
She provided the
like,
games.
listen.
Yeah, true.
exceptional.
Yeah, man.
And also the pool is there too. So about the community itself, there's a pool, of course. You guys saw in the video, we went to the pool. That was awesome. And the pool was warm and nice. There was
Tennis court.
oh yeah, tennis
Was
court.
there a gym? I'm trying to remember.
No, there's a resource room like at the side there.
Oh.
Like,
Yeah,
we could-
I think yes, there was a gym. Remember we saw it yesterday, but it wasn't open when we went there yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't open, but there is a gym here. So maybe it was just our timing was off.
Yeah.
Alright, good. So let's go to our overall experience. How was your stay? And out of 5 stars, how would you rate your stay at the coastal getaway? Let's go starting with Joe.
Alright. 5 star.
Out of 5 stars, how much would you rate her if this was an Airbnb review? Like literally.
Whoa.
I mean, I'm trying to find something that would
Yeah.
grade down, but it's not coming at all.
I know that. Well, we using the same gradings.
Yeah, just everything that we went over. Alright, let me go. So I'd say a 4.5
for me.
I probably go to 4.7, and I take out the 3 just because of accessibility to other places. You know, like you wanted options in terms of like restaurants or you know, like to go out and you know something. But that was the only thing, and that's the only reason why I'm removing 3. But otherwise than that, yeah, I'll settle at 4.7.
I'll go 4.8. For the same
Yeah.
reason.
Okay.
I'll give her 4.8 too.
Alright, fine. I'll change my 4.5. That's a little bit hard.
So 4.8. You said
Yeah. Let's give her a 4.5.
Alright, cool. So averaging about 4.8.
Yeah,
Not
it's just that little thing.
yeah.
Just
Yeah.
looking on our
Oh, she got their birthday celebration. Like,
That's
she did
what
a
I
good
wanted to comment
job.
on.
Right. So she did a birthday thing for us. So you guys would have seen that in the video as well. Right? So that was epic. And that's what makes her one of the best hosts ever.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So if you come here, I promise you she will treat you like a star. Alright? Because it was so well thought out. And you know, we never expected it. So we are extremely happy and thankful, Rochelle. Thank you so much thank you for thinking of us and for making our
Making that
stay
effort.
right
Yeah,
extra
appreciate it.
special. We really appreciated it. And yes, I think that's it, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.